Net down again? The struggle is real. Ugh, it's happening again. You sit down ready to dive into your favorite game only to be met with that dreaded message. It's like a punch to the gut every single time. You boot up your PC craving some sweet Overwatch 2 action. The anticipation builds as the game loads, your fingers itching to get started. But wait, Battle.net is down. Again, we feel you. The disappointment is palpable, and you can almost hear the collective groan of gamers everywhere. There's nothing more frustrating than getting locked out of your favorite games. It's like the universe is conspiring against your gaming time. It's like trying to raid Area 51 with a wet noodle. Just pure frustration. You feel helpless, staring at the screen, hoping for a miracle. And it's been happening a lot lately to Blizzard games. But why? What's causing these constant interruptions? What's the deal with these pesky outages? Why does it seem like every time you want to play, the servers are down? The main culprit, my friends, is something called a DDoS attack. These attacks flood the servers with traffic, making it impossible for anyone to connect. It's a nasty trick that's becoming increasingly common in the gaming world. More and more, these attacks are disrupting our gaming experiences. But don't worry, we're gonna break it all down for you. We'll explain what's happening, why it's happening, and what's being done to stop it. Stay tuned. So, what exactly is a DDoS attack? It stands for Distributed Denial of Service. Essentially, it's a malicious attempt to disrupt the normal traffic of a targeted server, service, or network by overwhelming it with a flood of internet traffic. Imagine a horde of zombies trying to break down your door. They just keep coming, wave after wave, until the door can't hold anymore. That's basically what's happening to Blizzard's servers. They're being bombarded by an overwhelming number of requests. Except instead of zombies, it's a flood of junk data from countless computers. These computers are often part of a botnet, a network of infected machines controlled by the attacker. This overload crashes the servers, kicking everyone offline. Gamers are left frustrated, unable to connect to their favorite games. These attacks often come from hacker groups with silly names and even sillier motives. They might be doing it for fun, to prove a point, or just to show off their skills. Sometimes it's just to cause chaos. They enjoy the disruption and the attention it brings. Other times they want to extort money from companies like Blizzard. They might demand a ransom to stop the attack. Stopping these attacks is hard. IT specialists work tirelessly to protect the servers, but it's a constant battle. It's like trying to catch rainwater in a sieve. No matter how hard you try, some always gets through. Hackers are sneaky, and they're constantly finding new ways to launch these attacks. They evolve their methods, making it a never-ending game of cat and mouse. Blizzard isn't just sitting back and taking it. They've been working hard to beef up their security and mitigate these attacks. Think of it as building stronger walls and hiring more guards for their servers. They've even offered free game time and other goodies as an apology to players. But let's be real, these attacks are a real pain, and they can really sour the gaming experience. Blizzard is doing their best, but it's an ongoing battle. It's like trying to fight a hydra. You cut off one head and two more grow back. So, what can you do about it? It's a frustrating situation, no doubt. But there are steps you can take to mitigate the impact. Well, you can't exactly single-handedly stop a DDoS attack. These attacks are complex and require coordinated efforts to combat. But you can take steps to protect yourself and stay informed. Start by ensuring your own digital security is up to par. Keep your accounts secure. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. Stay informed. Follow Blizzard's official channels for updates on server status and maintenance. They often provide timely information that can help you plan your gaming sessions. Be patient. Remember that Blizzard is working hard to fix the issues. Their teams are dedicated to resolving these disruptions as quickly as possible. And hey, if all else fails, maybe try a single-player game for a while. There are plenty of great single-player experiences out there that don't require an internet connection. Or dust off that old board game collection. Board games can be a fun way to pass the time and engage with friends and family. There's a whole world of offline entertainment out there. From reading a good book to enjoying a movie night, the options are endless. Stay tuned for more gaming news and tips, right here on Kotaku. We'll keep you updated on the latest in the gaming world.